Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The Habitat for Humanity provides a free handicapped ramp program for disabled, low-income and fixed-income seniors. The program sends someone out to evaluate your house and to access your need for the home modification. The materials used to build the ramp are donated and volunteers help with building it. 9 February 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Wheelchair ramps are classified as durable medical equipment (DME) under Medicaid as well. This is a federal program for low-income seniors and individuals with disabilities and is administered at the state level. That means that a wheelchair ramp can be covered by Medicaid if it is deemed medically necessary. 13 February 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
Original Medicare's policy on wheelchair ramps falls under their policy for durable medical equipment. As such, if the wheelchair ramp is used for a medical purpose, then the ramp is reimbursable. A ramp will have to be medically necessary as declared by a licensed physician. 20 January 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.